International Day of Persons with Disability observed at Maharaj Chandra Kriti Auditorium, Palace Compound. Mai foiled Assam Rifles CRPF's bid to cordon off Kautruk village. And Okram Jugindro and family of Langthabal Kunja present blankets to women guarding villages at cold nights. Hello viewers, welcome to Northeast Window English News. I am CELINA 𝐶𝐬𝐯, giving you the latest news updates at this hour. Now the news in detail. Department of Social Welfare Government of Manipur observed International Day of Persons with Disabilities on the theme United in Actions to Rescue and Achieve the SDGs for, with and by persons with disabilities at Maharaj Chandra Kriti Auditorium located at Palace Compound today. Minister of Social Welfare, Fisheries, Skill Labor, Employment and Entrepreneurship, 𝐻𝐸𝐸, Chairman of Handloom and Handicraft Government of Manipur, and MLA of Lamlai Assembly Constituency, 𝐂𝐸𝐸 𝐸𝐸𝐸, Chairman of Manipur Electronic Development Corporation and Patsoi MLA Sapam Kunjakesar, and Commissioner of Social Welfare Department, Ningthozam Geoffrey, where the men gazed at the observance. As part of the observance, differently abled persons presented a play titled Mai Mothers. Staff members of different NGOs, staff of Social Welfare Department, and many persons with disabilities attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Minister 𝐻𝐸𝐸 said, Manipur also joined the rest of globe in observing the day despite the ongoing crisis with an objective of encouraging persons with disabilities. The minister also lauded the differently abled persons for performing the theatre play Mai Mothers, based on how Maharaj Kulachandra breathed his last at Kalapani.
ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯒ꯭ꯔꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯦꯂꯦꯟꯖꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯗꯤꯁꯦꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯨꯝ ꯃꯣꯔꯣꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯤꯁꯦꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯗꯤꯁꯦꯕꯤꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯒꯣꯔꯅꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯗ ꯆꯠꯅꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯀꯂꯥꯄꯥꯅꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯊꯝꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯨꯒ ꯊꯤꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯗꯤꯁꯦꯕꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ
Mai foiled Assam Rifles personnel and CRPF's beat to cordon off Kautruk village in Sekmai Assembly Constituency last evening. Ningthozam Bina, a Mai who was among those who stopped the security force personnel, lamented that Kuki militants wielding sophisticated weapons have been frequently launching guns and bombs attack at the village. Amid this crime perpetrated against the villagers, the Mai counted large numbers of Assam Rifles and CRPF personnel beat to cordon off the area by burning haystacks in village Paddyfield yesterday. Condemning the inactions of the state legislatures, she contended that they have turned a blind eye to the frequent attacks by the Kuki militants at Kautruk and its neighboring villages by setting up bunkers atop the hills. Bina further urged the authority concerned to first make Assam Rifles conduct combing operations on the hills before they carry out the operations in the foothills where the village volunteers are guarding the village.
Chingthakta Kukina, a Koibu Lantadana, Kotrukta, Isa Isuna, Lamdam Chibu Naktana, Leraga, Chibawangam Tadana, Isa Isusing Mayamsing Leraga, चिंथक्तना कुकी मयामना पंकर साधना कौतुक हाइबा लमसिदा लान थोक्तना लंजाव थोक्तना असुगामना लेबसिदा उबित्र माने चिंथक्तगी पंकर दि लौथोपितना अखोइगी कौतुक हाइबा लमदमसिददी मैतै हाइबा खुंजिददी लैरनु हाइबरा सरकार सिदसु ऐसिमा हंगजेनिंगी अदुगा स्पोर्ट यूनिवर्सिटी सारिबा एंथोनी हाइरिबा सार नंगोंदसु ऐ हाइजगे नंगना थिका तौबदगी नंगी फगनी हाइरगा नंगना आर्मी मयाम थमजिनबदगी कौतुक हाइबा खुंगंसिददी आर्मी मयाम कुमथरअगा मखोइना तौब खुदोंग चाबा मयाम लौबसिदा अखोइदी कीबा अमा यावरे मैरा पाइबिसे लैबा ngamtre तानबदा असो अपन कयामसो लैरे मसी सरकारना अमुते येंबियो अखोइगी कौतुक हाइबा लमदमसे मुथलगे हाइना खनबिरबरा कुकी हाइबा लमसिना मथक्ता पंकर साधना पोम तो कातना असुक यामना वादना लैरिबसे सरकार मथै उबिररोइत्रा सरकार सिबु करी हाइना खनबिरिगे असिमतंग लौथोकपियो अखोइना हाइजेरी
Mai Mothers continue to guard villages in Bishnupur district by spending the cold nights at market sheds and roadside since the violence triggered by cookies broke out in the state on May 3rd last. In view of selfless deed of the women folk, Okram Jugindro, his wife O Pramo and their two sons O Abung and Jayananda of Langthabal Kunja presented blankets and comforters to women spending nights at Fubala market. It may be recalled that Jugindro and his family in the onset of the crisis had provided edible items including fish, water, among others to volunteer at Control Room Fubala. The women expressed gratitude to the family for their kind gesture and gave their best wishes that the family may be able to continue to extend their helping hand in the future too. Meitei Pangal Council Manipur observed its 10th Foundation Day at Manipur Press Club Hall today. President of Amuko P.H. Nandoluang, President of Folks T.H. Manihar, Lieutenant Colonel Ningtamba, Senior Social Worker Loitanthen Angomcha Mainau, Social Worker C.H. Shyamjai, MMWO President Kori Mayum Boboy, Founder President and Advisor of Meitei Pangal Council Manipur Janab Ajmuddin, Meitei Pangal 𝐸𝐔𝐸 Khonggul Liba Foundation Committee, Manipur's BM Yaimasha, spokespersons of United Meitei Pangal Committee, UMPC, Rais Ahmad Tampak, and President of MPCM, Haji Arafat Ali Tampak, were among those present at the observance. Speaking on the occasion, President of MPCM, Haji Arafat Ali Tampak said, MPCM has been actively addressing various issues facing the Meitei Pangals. It had helped in addressing the grievances of laborers whose wages were misappropriated and also helped in naming drug dealers. In the field of sports too, the Council has been encouraging young sportspersons and helped in nurturing and producing outstanding sportspersons. The Council has also been working on preventing certain issues aimed at tarnishing the image of Meitei Pangal during the ongoing crisis, Haji Arafat Ali said.
Big brother 𝐶𝐿𝐼 Meitei Pangal amatali amatongi wakhalon when loina sida pandamsi tampata lai minimation na Meitei amadi Pangal se warsu aminagani charju chaminagani hinasu hinmenagani marati atopa kana mix influx eva narco terrorism eva thabak amadi Manipur thugaina wa wonder khudimuk to Meitei Pangal na Meitei amadi sinawsi amatali obi wakhada baithamte MP Shagir Magaidi.
Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, Desam, will observe its 22nd Foundation Day on January 3rd next year. Member of Desam, Thodam Shyamjai, in a press release informed that Chingu Maicho Khongnan Thaba Khongba Khonga Award will be conferred on dedicated teachers who have been selflessly working for the welfare of the students before and during the ongoing crisis. Interested teachers may apply for the award by submitting relevant documents at Desam office, the press release said. In a commendable display of community spirit, members of the Nehru Memorial Club located at Top Awang Laikai joined hands with local residents to organize a social service. They work together to clean public spaces and promote responsible waste disposal practices, and a dustbin has also been placed for proper disposal of garbage. Speaking on the sidelines, President of the club, Ayekpam Kumar, said, the social service camp was organized with an objective of preventing from diseases which may likely spread due to the accumulations of solid waste, and also to contribute to the larger national goal of the India Swachh Bharat. If the garbage are not disposed properly, they will approach the individuals who may not be adhering to proper waste disposal practices, initiating conversations and at fostering a sense of shared responsibility. No fine will be imposed. Nehru Memorial Club of Top Awang Laikai also extended heartfelt gratitude to the people behind the success of the community's innovative cleanliness drive.
Ngasi akoina pangthokchariba social service dustbin cleaning program sida laikai sigi oina akoina club ki executive members sing laikai gi naron sing koi pullaga pangthokchabani environment da yamna kaiba tholokba kenoba koi suroki nakana tariba plastic button tala maku kariya tarimi yamje koi timnana khomthoksaraga laikai se taru taranba ma oina dukta koi tamjabani kinjari dustbin sigi mapanda kaigumba sida tharana tokon nakanda thadadana sikai ko karba toromba lerga su ko na mi du gyan ta halaga ikina koi se thadau kholo paibagi gyan ta hanaba ko ta kani duga mo phai num lo ko padu magi de koi lejade.
A Guru Kirtan was held at Jangal Laikai in Udarbon constituency of Assam yesterday. Speaking about the origin of Guru Kirtan, retired Principal DN Higher Secondary School Udarbond and ex-General Secretary Manipuri Sahitya Parishad Assam, Manohar Mayum Surjakumar Sarma said, in the annals of Jangal Laikai's history, the spiritual legacy of Guru Kirtan emerged as a beacon of healing in 1904. Today, after 120 years, Guru Kirtan stands as a revered tradition, a testament to the enduring spirit of faith and healing, Surjakumar Sarma said.
Masigi Guru Kirtan Chatakibagi, Magi, Marum Thumna Laiba, Wafamdi, Egogi Kungangasida, Matamaduda Lairamba, Ipaipan, Ipushing, Asiga, Masak, Manakandaba, Laina Laitung, Awa Najamata Kiba, Tehi Kudingi, Dadumba, Laina Laitung do Kang Bawar Pada, Mayam Halaman, Tanare Harga, Akang Ahi, my wishing a Tanajare Harga. Si Norotom Thakur Gosaina Laikidaba Numit, Tirodhan Numit, Asimaktada, Guru Kirtan Katlabadi, Kumang Siga Taraiba, Awa Ana, Laituna Chimba, Adu Pulmokto, Kokchegani, Haiba, Autopamen Pangmadagi, Matam Maduga Lavilamba, Halaman, Lai Guru Singna, Marun and Asi, Oiba Brahman, Hanachigi, Mahogi Matamdagi, Hauduna, Asi Guru Kirtona Se, Kungang Macha, Jangalakai Kauna, Ming Kanaba, Asida, Haudokibani.
Let's take a quick break.
Welcome you all to Unapa School Chanum, Imphal East, a fully residential school ranked Manipur #1 in All India School Ranking Awards 2023-24 by Education World in Co-Education Boarding School category. Academic session for 2024-25 will begin on 1st April 2024. Registrations are open for classes 4 to 9. Hurry up for registration.
Diabetes ko loy na hinglibasing thamagi manungda control to bangamle. Urea creatinine wangbasu thamagi manungda hantaba ngamle. Kong hamanungay tebasu numit mga nigi manungda fahan bangamle. Pile saibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahan bangamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oy bangamle. BP wangbasu thamagi manungda normal oy bangamle. Fatty liver oy basu thamagi manungda fagathan bangamle. Pumnamag natural oy ba hidak makalna laing jabani. Hakchang na sokadaba side effect amata laite. Makata na hidak chabagi mathausu tararoy. Hena kupaparol kidamak ngasimak lengsin birao Diabetes Hospital Soibam Laikai Ayangpali Road opposite Karkinos Jennings Hospital Porompat Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
Welcome back. Now the national news. Counting of votes for assembly elections in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Telangana is underway. Latest trends available shows that the BJP is heading for a clean sweep in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Rajasthan, while Congress is leading in Telangana. In Rajasthan, voting was held in 199 out of 200 constituencies. Election Commission has postponed the polls in one assembly seat following the death of a candidate. Trends are available for all 199 seats. BJP is leading in 112 seats, while ruling Congress is ahead in 71 constituencies and others in 16 seats. In Madhya Pradesh, trends are available for all 230 seats. Ruling BJP is leading in 161 seats, Congress in 66 and others in 3 seats. Chief Minister and BJP leader Shivraj Singh is ahead from Budini seat by over 29,000 votes. Union Ministers Narendra Singh Tomar and Prahlad Patel are also leading. Congress leader and former Chief Minister Kamal Nath is leading in Chhindwara. In his initial reaction, Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan attributed the victory to the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, strategy of Union Home Minister Amit Shah, collective leadership and hard work of the party workers. In Chhattisgarh, trends are available for all 90 seats. BJP is leading in 54 constituencies, Congress in 33 and others in 3. In Telangana, trends are available for 119 seats. Congress is leading in 65, Bharat Rashtra Samiti BRS in 39 seats, BJP is in 8, while AIMIM in 6 constituencies. Others are leading in 1 seat. Counting for Mizoram Assembly elections will be taken up tomorrow. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. International Day of Persons with Disabilities observed at Maharaj Chandrakirti Auditorium, Palace Compound. Mayapaibi's fall Assam Rifles, CRPF's beat to cordon off Kautruk village. And Okram Jugindro and family of Langthabal Kunja present blankets to women guarding village at cold nights. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window.